Number 1. Personal luxury coupe styling and full-size American cruising comfort define this 1976 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, offered at $7,500 in Vermilion, Ohio. Finished in striking red over matching red interior and showing just 62,240 miles, this two-owner example benefits from extensive recent refurbishment. Upgrades include a new vinyl roof, headliner, window trim components, tires, wheels, complete brake system, custom true dual exhaust, ignition system, Holley carburetor, and aluminum intake manifold. The seller describes the car as exceptionally clean inside and out, with all major features functioning properly. With a clean title, tasteful upgrades, and strong running condition, this Thunderbird presents as a turnkey classic ready for immediate enjoyment.
Number 2.
Malaise-era luxury and big block Chrysler power come together in this 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, listed at $9,800 in Akron, Ohio. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, this green over green coupe remains highly original with factory air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and power brakes. The original lean burn system has been replaced by an Edelbrock intake and carburetor setup for improved reliability, while the factory components are included in the trunk. Garage-capped, rust-free, and reportedly never driven during winter months, this one-owner Cordoba offers preserved originality, clean presentation, and desirable personal luxury coupe character. Number 3. Elegant mid-1960s Pontiac styling and restoration potential highlight this 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix hardtop, offered at $5,900 in York, Pennsylvania. Equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes, this Grand Prix reportedly comes from single-family ownership dating back to new. The seller describes the body as fairly solid and includes a Pennsylvania title already in their name, making ownership transfer straightforward. While presented as a project vehicle requiring further restoration work, the combination of desirable Pontiac Grand Prix styling, factory V8 power, and documented ownership history creates a strong foundation for enthusiasts seeking a full-size Pontiac classic. Number 4. Post-war American motoring charm and flathead V8 character define this 1946 Ford Super Deluxe, offered at $10,000 in Carsonville, Michigan. Powered by the legendary flathead V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this blue over gray classic is described as rust-free and ready to drive. The seller notes that the car runs and drives exceptionally well while maintaining strong driver quality presentation. Recent improvements include new carpeting and seat covers, while additional headliner and door panel upholstery materials are included with the sale. Combining classic Ford styling, solid mechanical condition, and attractive originality, this Super Deluxe offers a highly usable entry into pre-1950 American classic ownership.
Number 5.
Survivor car rarity and long-term ownership history make this 1981 Chevrolet Citation an unusually interesting find, listed at $3,500 in White Lake, Michigan. Powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this burgundy over burgundy hatchback reportedly remained with the same owner for roughly 35 years. Showing fewer than 80,000 miles, the car features a remarkably preserved interior, garage-kept history, and an X11-style spoiler added during a repaint in the 1990s. While it requires recommissioning after several years off the road and has a few unresolved issues, its originality and scarcity make it a compelling GM survivor.
Number 6.
Classic British roadster simplicity and open-air driving enjoyment define this 1980 Triumph Spitfire, offered at $8,500 in Grosse Pointe Woods, Michigan. Finished in orange over brown interior and equipped with a manual transmission, This low-mileage example reportedly shows just 43,000 miles. The seller describes the car as running well and presenting in beautiful condition, while including a substantial collection of spare parts that add significant ownership value. Lightweight construction, responsive handling, and timeless British styling continue to make the Spitfire a favorite among vintage sports car enthusiasts. For buyers seeking an affordable and enjoyable classic roadster, this example appears ready for weekend cruising.
Number 7.
Big block Lincoln luxury and affordable project potential come together in this 1976 Lincoln Mark IV, listed at just $3,500 in Oxford, Pennsylvania. Powered by Lincoln's 460 V8 and automatic transmission, this green-on-green personal luxury coupe retains a reportedly very nice interior and a solid frame. The car currently requires a fuel pump and replacement vinyl roof, while several rust areas and grille damage are disclosed by the seller. A replacement grille is included with the sale. With a clean title, running condition, and highly desirable Mark IV styling, this Lincoln represents a low-cost entry into classic luxury coupe ownership with room for improvement.
Number 8.
Chevrolet's iconic car, truck, hybrid practicality, and restoration-friendly condition define this 1976 El Camino, offered at $5,500 in Phoenix, Arizona. Showing 160,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, this two-owner example is described as a complete running and driving vehicle with a clean title. The seller reports a solid body, strong drivetrain, functioning gauges and lighting systems, and no significant overheating or mechanical concerns. Cosmetic attention and minor age-related repairs remain, but the vehicle is complete and usable as is. With El Caminos becoming increasingly collectible, this example offers an attractive combination of utility, affordability, and classic Chevrolet character.
Number 9.
Second-generation F-body styling and V8 swap potential highlight this 1981 Chevrolet Camaro coupe, listed at $5,000 in Berwick, Pennsylvania. Currently powered by a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Project Camaro reportedly retains solid frame rails, floors, trunk structure, and minimal overall rust. The primary issue is a severe engine knock that will likely require replacement, making the car a natural candidate for the V8 conversion the seller originally planned. Cosmetic flaws include rough paint, a dented driver's side door, and a rusted exhaust system. With a clean Pennsylvania title and solid structure, this Camaro provides a promising restoration foundation.
Number 10.
Affordable G-body ownership and low indicated mileage define this 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, offered at only $3,000 in Signet, Ohio. Equipped with an automatic transmission and showing just 42,000 miles, this classic coupe reportedly runs and drives despite having spent many years off the road. The seller suggests that a tune-up would help return the car to optimal operating condition. While details remain limited, the Cutlass Supreme remains one of the most recognizable GM platforms of the late 1970s and enjoys strong aftermarket support. At this price point, it presents an inexpensive opportunity to enter the classic rear-wheel drive Oldsmobile market.
Number 11.
Serious street machine performance and first-generation Monte Carlo styling define this 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed at $10,000 in Livonia, Michigan. Under the hood sits a built 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet featuring a Holley 750 carburetor, aggressive camshaft, long tube headers, Flowmaster exhaust system, upgraded transmission, and 12-bolt posi-traction rear axle. Additional features include a B&M shifter and Bluetooth audio system. The seller reports a clean interior free from major tears or stains, with only minor trunk floor repairs remaining. Combining muscle car performance with personal luxury styling, this Monte Carlo offers substantial performance value and strong street presence at an accessible price.
Number 12.
Compact American economy car heritage and budget-friendly restoration potential define this 1960 Nash Rambler American Super, offered at $2,850 in Westchester, Pennsylvania. Powered by its original inline-six engine and automatic transmission, this Rambler remains largely complete and retains its factory drivetrain. Rust repair is required in portions of the floor and trunk, while the vehicle currently needs a fuel tank and battery before returning to the road. Despite those needs, the seller notes that the car remains in better condition than many comparable examples from the same era. For enthusiasts seeking a unique and affordable early 1960s American compact, this Rambler presents considerable potential.
Number 13.
Dedicated drag racing hardware and serious performance potential distinguish this 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Roller, listed at $3,500 in Mesa, Arizona. Built around an 8.50 certified roll cage and intended for big block Chevrolet and Power Glide applications, this purpose-built chassis includes valuable racing equipment such as MSD ignition electronics, K&R controls, Kirky seating, Weld wheels, nitrous provisions, fuel cell hardware, and numerous supporting components. The seller indicates that the car previously ran but has been inactive for some time. Offered with a bill of sale rather than a title, this Camaro is best suited for racing enthusiasts seeking an affordable turnkey drag racing platform.
Number 14.
Full-size Chevrolet luxury and upgraded drivetrain components define this 1967 Chevrolet Caprice, offered at $8,000 in Flagstaff, Arizona. This classic hardtop has reportedly received a replacement 350 cubic inch V8 engine, TH400 automatic transmission, and performance headers, providing improved drivability compared to its original configuration. The seller also includes a variety of spare parts that add value for future maintenance or customization. Finished in gray over tan interior, the Caprice combines elegant late 1960s Chevrolet styling with dependable mechanical upgrades. For buyers seeking a comfortable vintage cruiser with modernized running gear, this Caprice offers an attractive balance of style and usability.
Number 15.
First-generation Mustang styling and affordable V8 project potential come together in this 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed at $3,500 in Rising Sun, Maryland. Powered by a late 1980s 302 V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and posi-traction rear axle, this Mustang reportedly starts, runs, shifts, and drives surprisingly well. The car retains attractive natural patina and largely stock appearance aside from headers and newer wheels. Significant rust repairs are required in several structural areas, and the vehicle is sold without a title. Nevertheless, the solid frame sections, functioning drivetrain, and desirable first-generation Mustang platform make this an appealing restoration candidate.